Once again, Valerie's Kitchen. I would like to teach you all today a carrot dessert. So this is grated boiled carrot. You need butter or ghee, milk maid, vanilla essence and sugar. So carrot basically people grates. Earlier I said grated, but mostly people grated or they finely chop it. But what I did to save the time, I boiled the carrot in a pressure cooker for around 4 whistles and then I smashed it. So the work is easy. So now I will put 3 big hip of ghee, pure ghee. Let it become hot. Then I will add this carrot. Fry this nicely. See if it is not smashed properly, then you can smash it. Savory. You all say it savory, no? We say it Gajar Halwa. So it's nicely fried. Now I will add sugar to it. This is a sweet dish, so it has to be sweet. So I will add big 4 spoons of sugar. Don't worry about your health conscious or something like if you are putting on weight. No, this is very, very tasty, yummy carrot savory. Gajar ka halwa, carrot ka halwa. And then now I will add 1 cup of milk to this. And this will be mixed together. Now this we have to cook it till this milk is absorbed in the carrot and fully it has to be dry. Few vanilla essence. now we will add milkmaid also to it. I will add 2 of this. We call it milkmaid. I think so over there it is known as condensed milk. So now let it get fully cooked, nicely cooked. Carrot is cooked, so we don't have to worry about it. Only the milk, it has to be very thick. I will show you the stage. It takes around maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Then you can add some cashew nuts, some pistas, some dry fruits, badam, dry grapes, choco chips, anything. I am doing it in non-stick, so that's why I am doing it on high flame. If you are not using non-stick, then see that you do it in low flame. Nice idea, no? Instead of grating each carrot, just boil the carrot nicely in pressure cooker, and then you can just do this. See, it's becoming thick now. So, another 10 minutes. Carrot is good for eyes and good for health. We mostly use it in salad, but in India, this is like a sweet dish and one of the favorite of mine also, my family also. Lot of mixing, but thank God for this non-sticks. Otherwise earlier it was very difficult in olden times. Indian women had to literally be and check all these things. See, it is becoming thick now. The consistency is becoming thick. The oils will start leaving the pan. At least it is getting ready. It is leaving its side. The ghee. Here. Can you see the oil? See the oil? And yep, it's leaving its side pan and it's ready. Enjoy.